Hi, welcome to Coffee Talk. I'm Kelley Knitz, broker with Remax Preferred.
I'm Ann Top, real estate agent with Remax Preferred and the Kelley Knitz Team.
And today we're going to talk about how to create a home gym on a budget of $100, so stay tuned. About creating a home gym for $100, here are some ideas. The first thing we're going to talk about is painting the walls. Of course, they'd always, a nice fresh coat of paint on the walls. They could be cinder block. I don't know if you have poured walls or whatever.
And it should be a light color because basements usually don't have enough light anyway. So a nice bright white.
And you could also print in chalk so you could fill it in with paint, some inspiring words, or you could just have the word gym, and large letters.
The whole height of the wall or whatever, just to kind of add some pizzazz.
Yeah, and once you draw it out in chalk, then you can fill it in with paint and look pretty decent.
It's a good idea to have a chalkboard because then you can keep track of your reps and the days you've worked out. Just, frame a big chalkboard and hang that on the wall. That's kind of a good thing. That'll look attractive.
You can even plan your workouts for the whole week.
Right, exactly, yep.
Periodically, I see people who have found some lockers, maybe an old school, like got torn down or something. Just find some lockers and put them against the wall
for some storage. Yep. The rafters, if your basement, of course, isn't finished, that's what we're talking about. And if the rafters are wood or a light color, you can paint them a dark color, which kind of makes it blend in. You can hang, add some lighting, some fluorescent lighting or string lights.
It depends on how formal you want to make it, or if you want to make it fun or formal, you can make it your own style.
Yeah, right.
In addition to that, you could hang some mirrors, some long mirrors. Now, I'm really funny about mirrors. Usually when I look at them, I think I'm a lot bigger than what I really am. So if you have them angled down, it makes you look smaller. So mirrors are nice. You can kind of watch your form change as time goes on while you're exercising.
Right, and you can check your form, make sure you're lifting weights the way you're supposed to and things like that.
That's right. And you can find carpet remnants just about anywhere. But, between all of those things, you should be able to have a pretty decent looking gym for under $100. So...
And add some value to your house.
So thank you for watching this video about how to have a home gym for $100. And if you'd like to sell your house for more money, talk to Ann or I. We have actually recently become certified professional property stagers. And so we have that designation. Or if you'd like more information about what your home may sell for, you can call me or text me at 419-779-6229. And thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, please.